Hello friends, this is Aman Alok from Coded, and we are learning web designing in these lessons, and we have already had an introduction with HTML. So friends, before going to the technical part, etc., let us have a look, and maybe I'll call it, let us have the eyes of HTML to view web pages now. Friends, my best suggestions to you people will be that you should, whatever language you are learning, whatever technology you are learning, start seeing the word through it. Like now, start seeing the word through HTML, the tags of HTML. I mean, from the word to be internet. Don't start seeing your teachers and your classes through HTML. Or you can see, you can relate. Okay, but yes, whenever you are logging in, doing anything on internet, surfing, start seeing it with the eyes of HTML, and I'll teach you how. So like the topics in this which we will be covering will be it won't be more of adding headings, but you can okay, call it something like that: inserting images, playing music, adding videos, about iframes, making a table, building basic forms. So my friends, it is lesser of adding or inserting, but more of seeing how headings are there, images are there, music are there, videos are there on your internet. So going to the next slide. Okay, I have prepared an ultra basic website for you people, so that like it is containing everything what you see on internet. I'll zoom it a little. I'm sorry for the size. Okay, zooming is problematic, so okay, I'll just show you. I'm sorry for this. Okay, we are having images at the top. You can see earth and etc there. Then below there is a music player. Then my friends, there is a video player, and below that we are having an image, and then there is a table, and then there is a form. Okay, this is very lesser visible, but again I'll say, please listen very carefully. The first one is images, then music player, then video player, and then okay, there is an image, and then table, and then form. So isn't it how a basic website looks like? It is having images, then you can play musics, then you can obviously play video. It looks like something like YouTube, and then tables are the most necessary thing to my friends, just like showing information or storing information. And forms, you are filling everywhere. Like okay, you would maybe decline, you would say that whenever we are giving exams, or filling our university things, then only we are filling forms. But no, even when you are searching something on Google, it is a form. It is having only one input. It is taking an input from you. So please don't have this in mind, that form is something that exam type, or a particular biodata, or some job application type. Form is something which is whenever you are inputting data, and then the data is somehow being used through internet, then it is a form. So yes, your login page on Facebook is also a form. So friends, this is look, and then you can see that above image, their texts are in two different sizes, like something written which is quite bold, and then something small. So now let us see what is there. I have, since the visibility is low, I have broken this page in several fragments. So the first fragment is the image part. Now it is very clear. So there is two images like earth and maybe galaxy, and entertainment is there, and then images is there, and some images following is written. So friends, you can see, like I know that I have to explain you tags, but this is just to get, don't just look at the tags, more of look at what it is written, and then yes, in HTML how you can write it. So like entertainment is in a bigger size, it is h1. In the next only lesson, you will be learning about the difference between h1 and h2, then what is p, then what is img. So you can simply see that okay, the tags are there, h1 and h1 with the forward slash. You don't know about them, but entertainment is written. So whatever you are writing, it is simply my friends, written within the tag. So HTML is all about it. You don't have to create functions, you don't have to create anything. You have to simply know some tags, and then in between them you write something, and it is being shown. So img is something, a tag to add on images. In the third lesson, the media lesson of HTML, what I'll be giving to you people, you will learn using img tag. You will learn using what is strong, what is p. So again, the music. So I have okay, I'm sorry. So again, like this is the music player and the video player. So just friends, see, you might think that okay, this is something really great to create a music player on website, to create a video player on website, but at left you can see that all these three things have been done only using few tags, hardly 10 lines. So friends, this is the magic of HTML. Whatever you are seeing, that entire web page what we had created, it was hardly something written in like 50 lines in HTML. So we don't bother. We will be explaining everything. This will be explaining the media part, the third or fourth lesson I'll be taking for you people. So don't look, don't get afraid from the left part. Just have this, this is more to make you people feel easy, that it is so simple. What you're watching it at right can be written so simply at left. We'll be teaching you part by part, step by step, how to do that. So next, okay, this table. So again, you please don't bother. Again, I would say again and again that don't bother about the this the blurred and small size of the text in left hand side. I'm just showing you that this entire table can be created in these many lines. This beautiful looking table of representation of data can be done in such an easy manner. So again, so form, I'm really sorry for this low visibility, but again, I'm not at all, I don't want you to look at left to gain some knowledge out of it. I just want you to feel that this entire forms which you have been filling since ages on internet, they can be created in these small number of lines. So friend, what was this about? So this was just to give you the feel that okay, whatever you are learning, whatever you are seeing is no two different things in the world of websites. Like if you open kind of Facebook or maybe Google, just you have to know that this is nothing very extraordinary in play, divine's work, that okay, all these boxes are visible. It is some lines of codes and they are very easy. We'll be covering them in upcoming slides. So just start watching the world with the eyes of HTML. Okay, this is a video player. Okay, I have a tag about it, I'll be learning it. Okay, this is images, I can myself insert images in my website. Okay, that is something like, okay, that is a headline. So break any website you visit these days and in the fragments, and then upcoming slides, whatever upcoming lessons you'll be learning things, just relate with them. This is the best way to learn HTML. And friends, in the second lesson itself, this lesson, I'll really beg you people to start practicing things in notepad or whatever, because till now we haven't gone through any codes, any tags. But from next lesson, my friends, we'll be going through many tags and attributes about the tags. So it will be the best way to learn will be to implement. You can't simply mug up the theory here, there is no point, because this is all about implementation. If you are not creating any website after learning HTML, then please don't learn HTML at all, because it will be a waste of time. So friends, I hope you will be a good student, and I'll be trying to become a good teacher as well. So all the best to you people. From next lesson onwards, we'll be getting very technical, very precise. Okay.